1 strawberry smoothie bowls. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons carrot juice 1c, chopped frozen cucumber 1c, frozen strawberries fresh strawberries, freeze-dried strawberries, for serving. In a mix, add 1 to 2 tablespoons more juice until perfect consistency and then add pure strawberries, cucumber and 2 tablespoons carrot juice until smooth. Bring new and frozen strawberries and pistachios to a bowl on the cover. 2 strawberry citrus and ginger smoothie recipe. Take this delicious strawberry citrus and ginger smoothie with your thirst, a simple and fruity treat ideal to squash your sweet cravings. This smoothie is perfect for coffee or for dessert or for brunch. Orange juice and bananas add lots of sugar and strawberries raise food and the color of the beautiful rose. Add warmth and digestive assistance to a piece of fresh ginger. 3 mango chia seed smoothie, vegan, gluten-free. Ingredients: 1½ cups unsweetened almond milk, divided 2 cups frozen mango chunks 2 medium bananas, sliced and frozen 2 tablespoons chia seeds. Drop chia and 1/2 cup of almond milk into a small pot. Give her a nice brush, before all in all. Cover and give 10 minutes to put in the refrigerator. In a mixer, add the bananas and 1 cup of amber milk. Mix until smooth, scraping the mixer's sides if required. Add mangoes, smooth blend. From the fridge take the chia seed blend, it would have been a gel-like consistency. Give him another good brush, give it another good one. Scrape the mixture of chia seed from the cup and into the blender with a rubber spatula or spoon. Mix until smooth. Blend until soft. Pour the cups, and drink them right away. 4 triple berry smoothie. Ingredients: 1c, frozen raspberries 1c, frozen strawberries 1 banana 1¼ c, almond milk 1/2 c, Greek yogurt 1c, frozen blackberries. Mix all ingredients in a mixer and mix together until smooth. Break the blackberries in 2 cups, if necessary. 5 kale smoothie. Greek yogurt almond milk honey kale pineapple banana peanut butter. You can make this banana kale smoothie with a normal melange while getting the smoothest performance with a high-powered hybrid such as a Vitamix. I advise you to begin by combining kale and almond milk until your kale is as smooth as possible if you are using a standard mixer. Fill in the rest of the ingredients. 6 superfood smoothie. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon chia seeds plus 1 cup fresh spinach plus 1/2 frozen banana plus 1 tablespoon almond butter plus 1 cup frozen mixed berries plus 1 tablespoon ground flax plus 1 cup almond breeze unsweetened almond milk. In the mixer, combine all of the ingredients and effortlessly. Put this smoothie in the fridge to make sure all seeds are smashed, and the perfect smoothie. 7 pumpkin spice smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 cup pumpkin puree, fresh or canned 1/2 cup ice 1 tablespoon pure maple syrup 1/8 of a teaspoon nutmeg 1 frozen banana 1/4 of a teaspoon cinnamon 1 cup almond milk 1/4 of a teaspoon vanilla 1/8 of a teaspoon allspice. Puree all ingredients in a blender until smooth. 8 berry kiwi smoothie. Ingredients: 2 kiwifruit peeled and sliced 1/2 cup frozen blueberries 1 cup orange juice 1 cup frozen strawberries 3/4 cup frozen raspberries. In the blender, put the frozen berries and thaw for about 10 minutes. Add the kiwi fi and the orange juice and mix well. If required, add additional kiwi or berries. 9 chlorophyll-rich smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 to 1 inch fresh ginger root juice of 1/2 lemon 1 cup chopped torn organic kale, romaine, parsley 2 cups water dash of cinnamon 1 to 2 bananas in pieces 1 chopped organic apple, pear, peach 2 to 4 tablespoons of ground flax or chia seeds. Add to the blender water and greens, mix until smooth. Remove the fruit and ginger slowly. Keep mixing up. Add the citrus fruit juice, cinnamon and flax and blend until smoothie is needed. 10 tropical carrot smoothie. Ingredients: 1 to 2 kiwi fruits, peeled and sliced 1½ cups frozen mango 2¼ cups carrot juice 1½ cups frozen pineapple. Put into a mixer the carrot juice. Attach the apple, mango and kiwi to seamlessly work.